નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કેમ છો? મજામાં? Discuss the next example. Prove that integration 0 to pi by 2 sin theta power 5 cos theta power is 6 d theta is equal to 8 upon 693. આ જે એક્ઝામ્પલ છે એની લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડની અંદર ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી ફોર્મ છે. કેવું છે? ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી ફોર્મ. તો વી હેવ ઓલરેડી ડિસ્કસ બીટા ઓફ p comma q is equal to 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 sin theta power 2p minus 1 into cos theta power 2q minus 1 d theta. આ આપણે પ્રૂવ કરેલું છે. This is the call which is called trigonometry form of beta function. ડેફિનેશન નથી બીટા ફંક્શનની. બીટા ફંક્શન ફોર્મ છે પણ કયા ફોર્મની અંદર છે? ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી ફોર્મની અંદર. 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 sin theta power 2p minus 1 cos theta power 2q minus 1 d theta છે. આ ફોર્મનો યુઝ કરીને આપણે અહીં પ્રૂવ કરશું. Scaling left hand side is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin theta power 5 cos theta power 6 d theta. એટલે આ જે છે એવું આપણે બનાવવું છે. તો in form 2 times. Here not 2 times. The first process divide and multiply by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Chalo, 2 is complete. Okay, integration 0 to pi by 2. Here also integration 0 to pi by 2. Base is sine. Here also base is sine. But here power 2p minus 1. Here power 5. So base is complete. But જે પાવર છે એ કમ્પ્લીટ છે નહીં, એટલે એને આપણે અલગ ફોર્મમાં લખવાનો છે. 2p minus 1 છે, અહીંયા આપણે શું આપેલું છે? 5. તો 5 is written as 2 something minus 1. તો બે પહેલા તમે સેમ લઈ જ લ્યો. 2p minus 1 is equal to 5. Now find p from this expression. 2p is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore p is equal to 3. So that means 5 is written as 2 times p, but p is 3 and minus 1. So 5 is written as 2 3s are minus 1. Therefore 5 is written as 2 into 3 minus 1. Therefore p is 3. Chalo, base is cos. Here also base cos. Is again we have power 6 in form power 2q minus 1. એટલે 6 છે એની જગ્યાએ આવું ફોર્મ લખ્યું છે 2 into something minus 1. Now to find something. જે છે 6 એના ઇક્વલ ટુ આ લઈ લ્યો તમે. 2q minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore 2q is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore q is equal to 7 by 2. q is 7 by 2. ચેક કરો જે 2q minus 1 છે 6 બને છે q માટે. તો 2 into 7 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 cancel. 7 minus 1 is 6. Therefore 6 is written as 2 times 7 by 2 minus 1. 6 is written as 2 times 7 by 2 minus 1 દેખેતા. હવે ફોર્મ બની ગયું 2 times 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2p minus 1 but here sin power 2 3 minus 1 that means p is 3. That means p is 3. Cos power 2q minus 1. Here cos power 2 into 7 by 2 minus 1. That means 7 by 2 is q. Therefore q is 7 by 2 and p is 3. Sorry. चलो is written as beta of p comma q. But here p is 3 and q is 7 by 2. तो is equal to 1/2 as a kid. આ જે કંઈ ફોર્મ છે એને શું લખી શકાય બીટા ઓફ 3,7/2 is equal to 1/2 beta of 3,7/2. Relation between beta function and gamma function, and it is beta of p comma q is equal to gamma p into gamma q divided by gamma of p plus q. So beta of 3,7/2 is gamma 3 into gamma 7/2 divided by gamma of 3 plus 7/2 is equal to 1/2 into gamma 3. Gamma 3 is written as gamma 2 plus 1. Gamma 7/2 is written as gamma 5/2 plus 1. 3 plus 7/2. 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 7 13. Gamma 13 divided by 2 is equal to 1/2 into gamma p plus 1 is p factorial. Gamma p plus 1 is equal to p factorial, yeah, p into gamma p. But I use this property, gamma p plus 1 equal to p factorial. Therefore 2 plus 1 is 2 factorial. Gamma p plus 1 is equal to p into gamma p. So gamma 5/2 plus 1 is 5/2 into gamma 5/2. અને આની આપણે પ્રોસેસ ડાયરેક્ટ ફાઇન કરી હતી. Gamma 7/2 is 5/2 into 3/2 into 1/2 into square root pi, જે આપણે શોર્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન જોયા હતા એની અંદર. 7/2 છે તો ક્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું? 5/2 3/2 1/2 ને લાસ્ટ સ્ક્વેર રૂટ pi. સિમિલરલી ગામા 13/2. 13 પછી કયો નંબર આવશે? ઓડ નંબર એટલે 11 is 11/2 9/2 7/2 5/2 3/2 1/2 into square root pi. Now square root pi cancel, 1/2 cancel, 3/2 3/2 cancel, 5/2 cancel, remaining equal to 1/2 2 factorial is 2 2 cancel, remaining 1/2 is here cancel, only remaining 1 divided by 11/2 9/2 7/2 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 divided by 11 into 9 into 7 is 693, and this is our right hand side. This is our right hand side. Now next example, prove that integration 0 to pi/2 d theta divided by in square root sin theta into integration 0 to pi by 2 square root sin theta d theta is equal to pi. First, calculating the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. Here 1 upon square root sin means 1 upon sin power 1 half. And then ઉપર લઈ નેગેટિવ પાવર થશે and it is sin theta power negative 1 half d theta into integration 0 to pi by 2 square root sin. And square root sin is sin theta power 1 half d theta. અહીં તમને બે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં છે તો ને ફર્સ્ટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન એ સોલ્વ કરવાનું, સેકન્ડ એ સોલ્વ કરશું. જ્યારે કોઈ પણ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં ઇન્ટિગ્રેશનમાં ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી ફંક્શન આવે સાઇન કોસ, એટલે આપણે જે ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી ફોર્મ છે બીટા ફંક્શન એ જ આપણે યુઝ કરશું અને ઇટ ઇઝ બીટા ઓફ p, q is equal to 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2p minus 1 into cos power 2q minus 1 d theta. આ ફોર્મ આપણે બનાવવાનું છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશનમાં સાઇન ઇઝ પ્રેઝન્ટ બટ કોસ ઇઝ એબ્સન્ટ. કોસ છે જ નહીં તો એ આપણે કોસ લખવું છે નહીં તો પણ તો આપણે કોસ પાવર 0 લઈ લો, જેમ કે cos theta power is 0, then your answer is 1. Any number raised to 0 is 1. બેઝ કોઈ પણ હોય પણ પાવર જો 0 હશે તો આન્સર શું આવશે 1 થશે. એટલે cos raised to 0 is 1 is equal to, ચલો 2 into integration, here 2 is absent, so divide by 2 into multiply by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 sin theta power minus 1 half into 1 તો લખી શકું into 1 but 1 is cos raised to 0. શા માટે cos આપણે જોઈએ છે ને આપણે આપેલા નથી તો cos લઈએ છે પણ પાવર શું લઈ 0, cos power 0 d theta into in second integration, here also cos is absent, so here written 1 and 1 is cos raised to 0 અને 2 ની પણ જરૂર છે તો divide by 2 into multiple by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 1 half 1 half into 1 is cos raised to 0 d theta is equal to 1 half into 2 integration 0 to pi by 2. આપણી પાસે સાઇન ને કોસ બને છે જ પણ બંનેના પાવર આપણે સેટ કરવાના છે. બંનેના શું સેટ કરવા છે આપણે પાવર. કઈ રીતના પાવર સેટ કરશું? હિયર પાવર ઇઝ -1 half, પછી આપણે કેવા ફોર્મમાં જોઈએ છે 2 times p minus 1, તો એ બેને પહેલા ઇક્વલ લઈ લ્યો 2p minus 1 is equal to -1 half. એટલે -1 half ની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું લખવું છે 2p minus 1 જેવું કંઈક ફોર્મ બનાવવું છે. બે ઇક્વલ લઈ લ્યો. નાઉ ફાઇન્ડ ધી વેલ્યુ ઓફ p from this expression and it is 2p is equal to 1 -1 half plus 1 -1 half plus 1 and it is 2p is equal to -1 half plus 1 is positive 1 half. Therefore p is equal to 1 half, here to multiply, here divide by 1 by 4, so your p is 1 by 4. Now check that p is correct. 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1, 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 half minus 1 and 1 half minus 1 is minus 1 half means minus 1 half is written as 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1. So minus 1 half is written as 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1. Same, here power is 0. આ જે કોસનો પાવર 0 છે એ આપણે કયા ફોર્મમાં જોઈ છે 2 into q minus 1 એટલે 0 ની જગ્યાએ આવું કંઈક ફોર્મ લખ્યું છે 2 into something minus 1 બે ઇક્વલ લઈ જ લ્યો તમે ચાલો 2q minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2q is equal to 1. Therefore q is equal to 1 half. So your q is 1 half. Now check that q is correct. चलो 2 into q minus 1 એમાં q ની વેલ્યુ પુટ કરો જોઈએ 2 into 1 half minus 1 is equal to 2 to cancel. Therefore 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0 means 0 is written as 2 into 1 half minus 1. So finally we get minus 1 half is written as 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1 and 0 is written as 2 into 1 half minus 1. એનો જ આપણે યુઝ કરશું ચાલો sin power minus 1 half and it is 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1 cos power 0 and 0 is written as 2 into 1 half minus 1 d theta into 1 half into 2 integration 0 to pi by 2. Base is sine, so here also sine. અહીંયા જે પ્રોસેસ કરી એ જ આ 1 હાફની જગ્યાએ શું લખવાનું છે 2 into p minus 1 જેવું કંઈક આપણે લખવાનું છે તો એના માટે રફ વર્ક કરીએ આપણે 1 half is written as 2p minus 1 આવું ફોર્મ જોઈ છે એટલે બે ઇક્વલ લઈ લ્યો 2p minus 1 is equal to 1 half. જો તમે રફ વર્ક ન કરો ડાયરેક્ટ આપણે લખતા આવડે p અને q તો આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ લખી શકીએ જ ચાલો therefore minus 1 take outside 2p is equal to 1 half plus 1 is 3 by 2 and p is equal to 3 by 4. p is 3 by 4. Now check that 2p minus 1 p is 3 by 4 minus 1 is equal to 2 to cancel 3 by 2 minus 1 and 3 by 2 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 half. Therefore 1 half is written as 2 times 3 by 4 minus 1. 1 half is written as 1 half is written as 2 times 3 by 4 minus 1 into cos raised to 0. Same. 0 is written as 2 into 1 half minus 1. Here also 2 into 1 half minus 1. Here theta. This is a trigonometry form. This is also trigonometry form is equal to 1 half into चलो 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 એ જ છે અહીંયા sorry sin theta raised to 2p minus 1 cos raised to 2q minus 1 છે એને તમે શું લખી શકો p, q. Here p is 1 by 4 and q is 1 half. So is written as beta of 1 by 4 comma 1 half into 1 half. So this p is 3 by 4 and q is 1 half. Therefore beta of 3 by 4 1 half is equal to 1 half into 1 half is 1 by 4 into beta of p comma q, relation between beta function and gamma function, and it is gamma 1 by 4 means gamma p into gamma q. Here gamma q is 1 half divided by gamma 1 by 4 plus 1 half. Beta 3 by 4 into 1 half is gamma 3 by 4 gamma 1 half divided by gamma 3 by 4 plus 1 half is equal to 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4 as it gamma 1 half is square root pi in gamma 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is gamma 3 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4 as it gamma 1 half is square root pi divided by 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is gamma 5 by 4 is gamma 5 upon 4 gamma 3 by 4 gamma 3 by 4 cancel out is equal to 1 by 4 into square root pi is pi and gamma 1 by 4 as again square root pi into square root pi is pi gamma 1 by 4 as again. चलो gamma 5 by 4 तो gamma 5 upon 4 is written as 1 by 4 plus 1 yes or no is equal to 1 by 4 into pi into gamma 1 by 4. So gamma p plus 1 gamma p plus 1 equal to p into gamma p. So here p is 1 by 4. Therefore gamma 1 by 4 plus 1 is 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. Gamma 1 by 4 gamma 1 by 4 cancel. Here 1 by 4 into pi upon 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 cancel equal to pi and it is our right hand side. It is our right hand side.